let's try the Olaplex Blonde. Ooh. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. It's Devin. Today I'm going to be trying the Olaplex Purple Shampoo. I'm super excited for this because Olaplex is one of my favorite brands. I do and have used the Olaplex Bonder at work in my lightener for clients in the treatment, as well as the at-home treatment on myself and on clients. So I'm really excited to try the Olaplex Number 4 P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. It says repairs, hydrates, and brightens all blonde, lightened, and gray hair. So the back says infused with patent Olaplex bond building technology. Okay. This customized toning shampoo strengthens, softens, and neutralizes unwanted yellow tones for brighter and more manageable hair. Directions. Apply to wet hair, fully lather, and let process 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse for more intense toning. Leave on hair for up to 5 minutes. Follow with number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which I do not have, for everyday moisture, or number 8 Bond Intensifying Moisture Mask for extra hydration, which I also do not have. So this kind of tells me maybe it's a little drying. Recommended tip: pre-wash with number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo to remove product buildup. So obviously I don't have any of those, but I think it'll be fine, honestly. Let's see what the color looks like inside. I'm not gonna show you me lathering it on my hair. I think that mostly everybody that has lighter hair, oh my god. Yeah, no, I will not be showing you this because holy shit, it is so purple. Like, wow, 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 wow. I guess I'm just kind of stupid. I kind of thought it was gonna be this color, like this really pretty lilac color, but it's definitely not. It's very purple. So yeah, I'll be doing this in the shower, not anywhere else or even in my bathroom, because I feel like I will definitely get this purple all over and stain like everything up. It looks very similar, in my opinion, to the Fanola Purple Shampoo. It's maybe a little less dark, but it's still really like an intense purple. So, like I said, I don't have any of the other Olaplex shampoo or maintenance bond enhancingness. I am gonna be using my Davines Oil shampoo and conditioner. I'll have to see if I have any like deep conditioning. That to me makes it sound like it's gonna be drying, which if it's similar to the Fanola is very drying. I think the more pigmented it is, the kind of more drying it is. It actually smells, oh my god, it smells amazing. Wow, it smells so good. I can't figure out what the smell is, like if it's low-key granny a little bit, but like you have a very expensive bougie grandma that like her house always has fresh flowers and she wears like Chanel perfume. Like, that's my grandma. I don't know about you guys, but my nana definitely has a very classy smell, not like a old white lady grandma that it's like it smells so bad. So when I say grandma perfume, I mean like in the best way possible. It has like florally notes a little bit, but very clean also. Wow, I don't know. I'm sold literally just on the smell. It smells so good. Whew. Definitely it's gonna stain though. I can tell already just by wiping my hand. So I might wear gloves if I have any, because my nails are natural at the moment and I feel like it'll get stained purple. I'm kind of okay with it. I don't really care. But as you can see, this is my hair. It is very yellow right now because I have not toned it in a while. I have a lot of roots, so it's probably been close to 9 or 10, even maybe 12 weeks since I've done my hair. So I did not do a toner in between, which I usually would, but I really wanted to try this. So I wanted to, you know, get as yellow as I could. So this is my yellow blonde hair. Let's try the Olaplex Blonde Enhancing Shampoo and see how good it is. Okay, hopefully the lighting's not too bad in here. It's actually the next day and I was gonna wake up early and style my hair and show you guys how it looks in the daylight, but I did not have time. So this is the next day, pretty much at night. I just got off work. It is New Year's Eve, but I'm staying home and not doing anything. But I am a little shook. Like, it lived up to my expectations. I really like it. I do have a bit of a lavendery tip on my ends and kind of around my face, where my hair was probably, I'd say, a level 10. The rest, that was more of a 9, so not quite as light. Toned down a lot, but I don't feel like it's as white or lavendery. It just kind of cut the yellow. I did leave this on in the shower with a cap for probably 5 minutes because it said for more intense to do 5 minutes. And what do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. My hair does not feel dry and it actually doesn't really smell anymore, but right after I let my hair air dry and I blow dried it for just like 5 minutes to get the rest of the water out, it smelled really good. It was that same smell and I really liked it. Pretty high, I wouldn't say it's hydrating. It's more, obviously all purple shampoo is more on the drying side, but I definitely don't feel like my hair needs a deep condition or anything. I just use my Davines milk and my Davines oil. So I feel like my hair feels pretty good. It didn't get as dark as it usually does with Fanola. So if I use the Fanola and I'm the same like level as I currently am of blondness, I definitely feel like the Fanola will darken it down a lot. This, I don't feel like it darkened it. It does have a little tiny icy lavender tint to it. Again, my ends and the top, that is a level 10, but the rest didn't darken down too much. So I would say that this would be really good for those that don't want to necessarily darken their blonde down too much, but just kind of tone it. You're okay with a little lavender. Again, I did 5 minutes, so I feel like that's why it's more lavender. I'm sure if you didn't leave it on as long, it wouldn't be as, you know, icy of a tint. So the Fanola to me darkens down a lot. The Olaplex doesn't darken down as much and tones really good. So it just kind of depends on what you want. If you are someone who is a little more ashier and like to really kind of tone that back, darken it down a little bit, maybe the Fanola would be better for you. If you're someone that wants a little more icier, more white, I would go with the Olaplex. Overall, I really love it. I'm really impressed. I'm gonna keep using it, but not too much. And the thing I have to add with purple shampoo, I have a lot of clients that think they can tone out their brassiness with purple shampoo. You really can't. Brassy to me is more of a level 6, which would be like light brown and down. Even maybe a 7 could get brassy, and purple shampoo is not going to do anything. Purple shampoo only works if you're maybe level 8, maybe like some Fanola will tone a level 8, but really you're looking at blondes, level 9 to 10, which is like platinum. Anything higher is platinum. Purple shampoo is not going to be good if you feel brassy and you have like caramel highlights and you're slowly going lighter. You need to just go into your hairstylist and get a toner, because that's gonna be stronger. They can actually try to tone more of the brassiness out. Purple shampoo is really just something to maintain your blonde or gray. Again, I do feel like Fanola purple shampoo is a bit stronger. So if you are somebody that maybe has a darker ombre balayage and your ends would be considered like an 8 ash, you could use the Fanola and it would darken it down and tone. The Fanola also, you leave it on not quite as long. You'll get better results. You won't be as dark, but I feel like the Fanola really darkens down my really blonde clients that want to be white. Whereas so far with the Olaplex, I feel like it didn't darken down and I left this on my hair for 5 minutes. So I'm really impressed. I really like it. But again, if you're not a level 8 or higher, purple shampoo is really not gonna do anything for you. You just need to lighten your hair and tone or tone. You need a toner. Purple shampoo is gonna do nothing. But I would recommend the Olaplex Purple Shampoo for anybody that wants to tone out yellow. You could leave it on for 5 minutes, maybe more. Don't say that I recommended that because your hair could get dry if you want more of an icy lavender tip. So pro tip, maybe you're platinum but you like to have that lilac lavender tint, I would say put this on and leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. Definitely use a deep conditioner if you're gonna leave it on past 5 minutes because that's not recommended on the label. But overall, I'm super happy with it. I really like it. I hope you guys can see how much better this looks. I should have taken before and after pictures, which I really haven't, but I'll try to put a clip from last night to this night so you can see the difference. There's definitely a difference, and I will be using the Olaplex Purple Shampoo into my hair routine. I hope you guys liked this video. Go ahead and thumbs up it and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.